Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove potassium permanganate from hand, updated. Rinse the area under cool running water for at least 10 minutes, while gently patting to dilute crystals and reduce staining. Remove contaminated clothing and jewelry promptly, and avoid aggressive scrubbing, which can worsen irritation. If deep staining, burns, or persistent pain occur, seek medical attention promptly and bring any product label information with you. In this video, I will explain how to remove potassium permanganate from hand, updated. Make a gentle baking soda paste and apply briefly to lift residual color, then rinse thoroughly. If staining persists, carefully dab 3% hydrogen peroxide on a small area to lighten pigment, watching for irritation. Always follow with a gentle moisturizer to soothe the skin. If you notice blistering, increasing pain, or signs of infection, contact a healthcare provider. In this video, I will review how to remove potassium permanganate from hand, updated. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless after crafting spills and messy projects, and voice control keeps your hands free for first aid. If you like helpful tips, please subscribe and like this video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to remove potassium permanganate from hand, updated. If you experience severe pain, blisters, or widespread staining with discomfort, seek medical care without delay. For eye contact or ingestion, treat as an emergency and get to urgent care or an emergency department. Keep the product label or container for clinicians and call your local poison control center if you are uncertain about symptoms or further actions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.